Morocco is preparing to receive its first examples of the Apache AH-64E, the most advanced multi-role combat helicopter in the world. According to the Specialized Forum Far Maroc, a first batch of 6 helicopters should be delivered by the end of February, followed by 6 other units. This first phase marks the start of deliveries of a broader acquisition program, with Morocco having placed an order for a total of 24 Apache AH-64E helicopters as part of the U.S. government's Foreign Military Sales (FMS) process. The contract signed with Boeing Defense, Space and Security, the arms division of the American aircraft manufacturer, places the kingdom among the 17 countries having opted for this aircraft renowned for its proven performance in various theaters of operations. Deployed by the American Army and several allied forces, the AH-64E is recognized for its firepower, robustness, and versatility, qualities which will strengthen the projection capabilities of the Royal Air Forces. Showcase of the Apache 64E helicopter, a testament to human ingenuity and engineering prowess. Prepare to be amazed as we uncover the secrets that make this magnificent machine a force to be reckoned with. The Apache 64E's aerodynamic design isn't just visually stunning. It's the result of meticulous engineering that enables unparalleled agility and performance, with top speeds that leave other helicopters in the dust. The Apache 64E boasts a level of agility that's essential for dominating the modern battlefield. Step into the cockpit, where advanced avionics and state-of-the-art sensor systems provide the pilot with unprecedented situational awareness. From real-time threat detection to precision targeting, the Apache AH-64E's advanced technology ensures a tactical advantage like no other. Behold the heart of the Apache AH-64E, its lethal arsenal: guided rockets, Hellfire missiles, and a 30mm chain gun give this helicopter the power to eliminate threats with precision. When the situation demands overwhelming force, the Apache 64E delivers, making it a vital asset on the battlefield. From reconnaissance to close air support, the Apache AH-64E excels in a multitude of roles, adapting to the ever-changing demands of modern warfare. Whether it's protecting ground forces or neutralizing enemy targets, the Apache AH-64E is a true chameleon, ready to tackle any mission. Unlike conventional helicopters, the Apache's fuselage was designed to continue to maneuver through the middle of a battlefield after taking a hit. The cockpit and main rotor hub are capable of withstanding multiple impacts from 23mm armor-piercing incendiary shells typically fired from the fearsome ZSU-23-4 Shilka. This protection is offered by 1,100 kilograms of boron carbide armor reinforced with nylon. The gunner's windshield and the pilot's canopy are .50 caliber bulletproof, and the interior of the cockpit is lined with Kevlar plates to limit the spread of splinters in the event of a puncture. The pilot's and gunner's seats are armored at the backrest and sides. Always with the aim of increasing the chances of survival, a transparent armored screen separates the pilot and the gunner. From the design of the cell, certain vulnerable components were deliberately oversized in order to continue to function when damaged. Thus, the hub of the main rotor has a diameter of 18 centimeters instead of the 8 centimeters initially planned. We also insist on the redundancy of the systems already usual in aeronautics. Thus, the controls, the hydraulic and electrical circuits are duplicated. In addition to being self-sealing, the tanks, like the fuselage, are designed to withstand the violence of a crash. The turbines are also installed as far away as possible, in order to avoid the loss of both in the event of a direct impact on one of them. Like the majority of twin-turbine helicopters, the Apache is capable of flight with a single turbine. The Apache is equipped with a 30mm caliber M230 chain gun turret. The range is 1,500 m and the deflection limited to 11 degrees upwards, plus 30 degrees for the EC-665 Tiger, which limits the possibilities of air-to-air combat. It can carry a whole range of rockets and missiles. The most commonly used are Hydra 70 rockets, AGM-114 Hellfire anti-tank missiles. Despite its cost, this aircraft enjoyed a respectable export career, where it is the best-selling contemporary attack helicopter. Of the 1,048 Apaches built in 2000, more than 200 were delivered outside the United States. In July 2019, it is in service in 14 countries. In June 2020, 17 have ordered. India. Order of 22 AH-64E Apache in October 2015. The American AH-64E Apache competed with the Russian Mi-28N Havoc. First flight of the first aircraft, July 16, 2018. Delivery of the first aircraft in May 2019. Order of a second batch of 6 AH-64s in 2017 for delivery in 2024. Qatar. Order of 24 AH-64E in October 2014, in service since April 2019. Other user countries. Saudi Arabia. 12 AH-64A Apache in 1993. Modernization to AH-64D in 2010. Order of 12 AH-64E in December 2009. 24 AH-64E in August 2011. On August 21, 2015, a Saudi AH-64 Apache crashed to the ground in the southeast of Saudi Arabia, in the region of Jizan, during a mission near the Yemeni border. Crew did not survive. Rebels claimed to have shot down helicopter. Egypt. 36 AH-64A Apache, 24 in 1993, 12 in 1994. AH-64D modernization program ordered in 2001, for delivery from 2003 to 2006. 35 AH-64D operational in 2011. 10 additional aircraft delivered in November 2014. Contract for the modernization of 43 devices. 2 devices lost in 2020. Morocco. 24 AH-64E Apache ordered in June 2020. For delivery in 2025. Poland. Announcement of an order for 96 AH-64E Apache in September 2022 to replace the Mi-24 Hind. On May 5, 2023, we learned that the first 8 devices will be taken from the U.S. Army fleet for rapid availability, even before the order is signed. The Apache began as the Model 77 developed by Hughes Helicopters for the United States Army's Advanced Attack Helicopter Program to replace the AA-1 Cobra. The prototype AH-64 was first flown on the 30th of September, 1975. The U.S. Army selected the AH-64 over the Bell AH-63 in 1976, and later approved full production in 1982. After acquiring Hughes Helicopters in 1984, McDonnell Douglas continued AH-64 production and development. The helicopter was introduced to U.S. Army service in April 1986. The advanced AH-64D Apache Longbow was delivered to the Army in March 1997. Production has been continued by Boeing Defense, Space and Security, with over 2,400 AH-64s being produced by 2020. Following the cancellation of the AH-56 Cheyenne in 1972, in favor of projects like the U.S. Air Force A-10 Thunderbolt II and the Marine Corps AV-8A Harrier, the United States Army sought an aircraft to fill an anti-armor attack role that would still be under Army command. The 1948 Key West Agreement forbade the Army from owning combat fixed-wing aircraft. The Army wanted an aircraft better than the AH-1 Cobra in firepower, performance, and range. It would have the maneuverability for terrain following nap of the Earth, new, flying. 6. To this end, the U.S. Army issued a request for proposals, RFP, for the Advanced Attack Helicopter AAH program on the 15th of November, 1972. As a sign of the importance of this project, in September 1973 the Army designated its 5 most important projects as the Big Five, with the AAH included. Indeed, these devices will be capable of detecting targets at 50 kilometers and carrying out high-precision attacks in various weather conditions. In addition, the contract includes an industrial partnership with the manufacturer for technology transfer and maintenance. With this purchase, Morocco is also ensuring that its army is better prepared to face regional threats, especially in a context of growing tensions in the Maghreb, noted the Spanish site E8V. Sky Warriors, you are the best community in the world. Your energy and passion transform each video into an unforgettable moment. Stay inspired and ready to take on new challenges. Together we are invincible.